Hi you guys, we are on our way to Holiday Park right now. We're actually just now pulling out of Trips Drill. Bye Trips Drill, we had an amazing time here, thank you. We have about an hour drive to Holiday Park from here. Cutting things a little close, it's like 2:40. Yeah, we're running out of time. Park closes at 6. Thankfully though, we have tickets and we have fast passes for when we get there. So we should be able to get all the coasters in, and I really want to hit the Skyfly there as well. So let's get going, here we go. Hey, yo, we're here, Holiday Park. Hello, Expedition G-Force. Let's go. Oh, look at this beautiful little entryway. This is so nice. I like the swirly twirly fountain. And here's the main entrance. Very cool archway thing right here. We gotta pick up our tickets in here. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Holiday Park, for hosting us today. We are super excited to get in here and check it out. Wow, this other entryway thing looks incredible. This first building looks amazing. I love that the towers like lean in to each other a little bit. It's a nice touch. And the stained glass is just beautiful. Oh, I love it. Wow, this is so nice. Love how everyone's out enjoying the splash pad. Very nice. This is Anubis free fall tower. It's a really tall, intimate drop tower. Love the sightline of Expedition G-Force right through the trees there. A lovely walkway over here. Very pleasant and in the shade. Welcome reprieve right now. It's getting pretty hot outside. It is 85 degrees Fahrenheit, so I think that's about 30 degrees Celsius then. Yes. Oh, it's right there. Nice. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start off with Expedition G-Force. Let's go. The Express Pass system is interesting here. So we have 9 uses of it, but like on G-Force and like Skyscream or something, if we were to take the front row, that would use up 2 of our Express Pass uses. Expedition G-Force. Let's go. Here we go. Yo! Oh my God! Yeah! Okay. Dude, what a beautiful ride. Oh. Huh? That was phenomenal. That was great. That was really, really good. Expedition G-Force. More like Expedition G-Slay. That was a blast. I freaking love that. The airtime was impactful. Even just the valleys, like were tight, but never like something that like crunched you or like squished you too much or something. And then you're just thrown right back into more airtime. The transitions are whippy on those S-bend transition things. So fun. And that first drop, I legit had a moment where I was like, oh my God, like I'm actually like a little scared. It was an intense sensation for sure, especially with the turn and the drop that really throws you. What was that?
That was insane. First of all, I can't believe I just rode that. I've been dreaming of riding that since I was like 11 years old. And then, I mean, it lived up to the hype. The airtime is insane. The layout is so long and creative.
The perfect, like, classic roller coaster.
Oh my God, it was truly, it was so good. It's like straight out of the early 2000s.
Yes.
It's like a beautiful.
What Millennium Force should have been? Maybe not should have been, but like a more forceful Millennium Force.
This is way better than Millennium Force. It's way better than Superman too.
Yeah,
like,
I'll absolutely agree.
Way better.
I would say this is the best intimate of this era.
Oh, easily. I totally agree.
We're gonna snag a bite to eat here too. We got some chicken sandwiches, burgers, pulled pork. Ooh, yum, that sounds good. Falafel and cornflake nuggets. Oh, interesting. Cornflake chicken nuggies. All right, this was about 16 euros. A little pricey. See how it tastes. Pretty good. I got the pulled pork sandwich. I like that. That's nice. update. It's actually really good. The pork is tender and full of flavor. Like, all right, this is definitely slaying here. After that surprisingly delicious lunch, we are back for another ride on Expedition G-Force. So we're gonna hit the front row this time. Whoa! 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 Oh! Whoa! The airtime's way more intense on that in the front. Yo! Oh! Whoa! Yeah, fantastic roller coaster. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Yay! Oh! Oh! Woo! Woo! Oh! It's pure fun. Front row was really good. Very much enjoyed that. The first drop does not like rip you down it like it does in the back, but it's still really fun because like sitting on the right side was kind of just like a fun like woo kind of like a wiggle motion as you go down, and then you just really get launched up into the airtime hills on each one of them in the front. That was really fantastic. The airtime is pretty comparable to the back, but the back definitely hits really hard in the front. I mean, jeez, the back hits really hard on the first drop. It's bonkers. And just each of these airtime hills hit really well. Like there's not a single airtime hill that is like, oh, that was okay. Like there's not like a so-so airtime hill. Each one is very fun from our experiences in the front and the back right now. Oh, this area of the park is cute. Look at this. Wow. Oh wow, that building is amazing. It's so pretty. Wow, the theming for this disco coaster is sick. Oh, it's just like the one at Plopsaland actually with the rock. When we walked in, the front entrance of this park really reminded me of Plopsaland too, with the big splash pad and that. Yo, the log flume double down? Yo, that looks wild. Ooh, the airtime on that's gotta be mad. Look how cute the theming is for the log flume too. I love the colorful buildings. It's very like fun Nordic vibe over here. It's adorable. Air Show 71. It's an area of the park? I think so. And we've got the Skyfly right there. Skyfly, Slate, Skyfly. Okay, the line doesn't look bad on it either, like one cycle. We're gonna hit the roller coaster, and then I'm gonna do this. I wanna ride that so freaking bad. Also, this area is fantastic. This must be like a new addition to the park, or maybe the newest area. It's all got that clean, very clean, well put together look, you know? Oh my gosh, look at the plane right there, that's cool. That's a nice added bit of theming for this ride. Oh, check out the corkscrew archway here. This is from one of their defunct coasters. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but I just saw that on the Log Ride app, that they had a yellow corkscrew coaster here at one point. So it's cool, paying homage to it. I wonder if this is the original even location of the inversion. I can't read any of that. Whoa, the theming though for Skyscream. This looks sick. These dilapidated buildings and stuff. Like look at this one, it's been like blown up or something. Whoa, okay. I would go as far as to say that this is probably the most well-themed Skyrocket too. The red paint on it is delicious too. Look at that. That looks so freaking good. All right, here we go. We're gonna go through the regular queue because this is a walk on. Wow. Oh, there's like screens. I wonder what the screens show. Probably zombies or something. This is insanely well-themed. Dude, are you kidding me? This is crazy. Oh, that's cool. You can see into the track there. Whoa. Dude. The theming is amazing. Oh, ooh, spooky. Wow. Here we go. We just got a walk on moment. It's just like you just pedal your feet. Yeah, just like this. Oh, like this. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa, the airtime on that. Woo! Here we go. Oh, the trip. Yeah! Okay. Woo! Very nice. That was pleasant.
That was really good.
Yeah, it really was. That was a really nice skyrocket too. I think like that might be my favorite one. The one at Lake Compounds though is also good and doesn't have comfort collars.
Yeah.
But the theming of this one is so good. It's insane.
Yeah, it is really good. It's almost like a haunted house in there.
Yeah, it really
There's
is.
like a couple jump scare moments.
Yeah, it was like a very pleasant experience. Like comparing it to Tigris, if you're tired and dehydrated, like Tigris will send you to the shadow realm. It definitely happened to me the last time I was there at Busch Gardens, Tampa. But the launches like feel good. Everything just flows really well on this ride. Skyfly. Here we go, here we go. Come on. Woo, here we go. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo! I don't know. No. Oh yeah. Yo! My vision is so big! What? This is so trippy! Oh my god! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh, the best ride! The best ride! Let's go! Oh! Woo! Yes! I just watched the Skyfly clip and I think I got 29 flips. We'll see what my edit counter says though. I might have missed a count or two. We're walking over to get the kiddie coaster credit now and walking through the other side of this super cute, like Nordic family kids area. The place is just adorable here. There's a big like walkthrough moment here across. Oh, that's just the entrance to the splash battle. Okay. Wow. Amazing theming and entrance for a splash battle ride. That's cool. We're entering a new area of the park. This is very German themed. This is cute. Got a schnitzel house right there. Is this like a haunted attraction? Look, this looks disturbing. Oh my god, look at the bratwurst here. Look at those wieners. They're so big. The bun is tiny compared to them. Ooh, the river raft ride looks cool. I like that entrance. That looks really nice. The pterodactyl busting out of the building up there. This park reminds me a bit of Toverland too, because it's like they also have an indoor section of the park as well, which is in this big building right here. And also where the kiddie coaster is, which we're heading to right now. Oh cool, the river raft ride has one of these like wave maker sections too. Just like the one at Europa Park. That's really sick. Here we are back at the front entrance area again. This is the entrance to the indoor portion of the park. Heidi, Holiday Indoor. Got some squishmallows to greet you. Very nice. Love that. Look at these iguana plushies. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh wow. Wow, this is cool in here. Now, where did Cole go? Find Cole. Fairy like swing ride in here. Cute. It's a roller coaster. Oh cool, it goes inside this mountain portion. This looks really fun. Tabaluga's Achterbahn. Ooh, look at the water and we go out over the water. I love a walkway over water moment. They just hit so different. Oh, and they have one of these cool carousels too. I remember a similar carousel being at Hansa Park from last year. I really love the look of them. They're so cool looking. Oh my god, there goes a bee! Woo! This kiddie coaster looks really cool actually. Like I'm excited to go inside there and see all the like twinkly lights. That ferry ride, you can use the bar in front of you to kind of control your ride. You can make it go up or down, and it looks like you're able to make it swing somehow. Oh, that looks pretty fun actually. Oh yeah, here we go. Second to last row. It's gonna go crazy. Kiddie coaster time. Here we go. Wow, yeah. Oh, woo! really good. It's so smooth too. And we got a 2-lap special. Fun and cute, cute and fun. Seal of approval, confirmed. That ride is fun and cute and fun. Now we have 30 minutes left until the park closes to get as many rides on Expedition G-Force as possible. Let's see how many rides we can get on it in the last 30 minutes of the park being open. Go, 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 go. We're running. Time is of the essence. The train is just got back to. I hit a bug. My hand hit a bug. Whoa, so good. Whew, man, I think the Skyflyer might have rattled my brain a little bit too. Cause my head was kind of hurting on the airtime hills. Like the airtime, I kept moving my brain around a little bit or something. That was a little much. Our plan is to actually just ride a cycle and then film a cycle. So that way we're not just, I'm actually just gonna sit here and chill and drink some water and eat some ice cream too while Cole rides another cycle because my head was hurting a little bit on that ride. I definitely may have overdid it a little bit on the Skyfly.
Flashback. End of flashback.
So we're taking a break, gonna let the brain calm down a little bit. Cole's gotta be on this one, I'm sure. I don't think he was on that one actually. I didn't see him when the train came by here. I see him. He's in the back car. I just missed it though. I missed him on the first drop.
Oh, yeah.
Starting the expedition. Here we go.
What a coaster.
Right? It's so freaking good. It is right at the end of the day. And
I want a back row ride.
Bag is holding on by a literal thread. This bag has been through it with me this summer. Has been on so many adventures. Sad it's not gonna last the whole way, but I only paid $15 for this, so it definitely you know, did the job for $15. Here we go. Right up to the station. Here we go. Ride 2 for me, ride 3 for Cole. Let's go. Roller coaster time. Going down. Whoa! Right, 2 parks, 9 roller coasters, 1 day, pretty solid.
It was a successful day. It wasn't looking too good around like 2 or 3 p.m.
Yeah, we were stressing for a bit there.
We
were
very
sweating.
short on time, but we pulled it off.
Yeah.
We actually got a lot done here.
We really did.
We got a bunch of rides on this, which is just a masterpiece.
And I got a bunch of flips on the Skyflyer. And we are like the last to leave the park now, literally, because we stayed and shot some more promo footage for Cole's United States of Amusement brand. These t-shirts that we're wearing today are part of Cole's new clothing brand. So if you guys haven't already, the link will be down in the description. Go check out United States of Amusement. It's got some really sick designs.
Thank you.
Of course. Thank you so much, Holiday Park, for having us out. Definitely cannot wait to come back in 2026 when that Mock Extreme Spinner opens. Ride to Happiness 2.0. That'll be incredible. I will absolutely be back here for that. Goodbye, Holiday Park. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like on this video. If you want to see any other adventures outside the theme parks too, check out my second channel, link down below, Psychos with Alex. Or if you want to watch more theme park content, check out this video on the screen now, and I'll see you there. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.
You heard the man.